Hello again. Um, this is an update for the prototype, if we want to call it like that. It's working fine as it was in the breadboard, but this time is what I did here. I built its own board. Well, it's a cardboard, a build on cardboard, my usual way of prototyping, and it's working just fine. Let me show you the back of it, just to see. It's a adapter HDMI, but look at that beauty, wires, how they are crossing each other. I hope it's working now that I flip this. If I'm disconnecting one single wire from here, yeah, I have to press one button there. Actually, I can show you. If I'm disconnected, for example, one minus, no, not that, this one, like this. I hope I'm bringing, it's working. The SCL, no, but the power wires, if I'm disconnecting them, let's say the ground one, yeah, and now it will not work. But if I'm pressing this button from Arduino, like that, now it's restarting again, which is instead of reprogramming the entire thing from Arduino software, just press that button and it will restart the program without reprogramming. That's the thing. So about this board is finally made. I think I started it on 14th. Now is 17th. Yeah, so it's about 4 days, but in reality I kind of made it in 2 or 3 days, 2 days and a half, probably 3 days. I didn't count it, but what I want to say is that I worked like a slave. is incredible simple concept, is incredible simple circuit, but when you have to link every fucking wire, when you have to make all the plans, actually I have the plans here, how to connect everything and how to, it's getting stupid hard. This is the first well, ideas, multiple ideas. I was trying different possibilities. Those are powering wires, that little sketch there, very little, how I will power everything, and then yeah, and this is the clean. After I decided how it will look, this is the clean page, and well, this is the actual circuit schematic for the chip, for the IC. So and this is this clean one. These two are identical. Yeah, and that's why I'm saying it's a prototype, because I still have some issues. This power pads. This power pads and this 4 pads, the plus 5 volts ground, second CDA, as you can see it here as well, because It's 5-volt ground cyclion SDA, very small. Because this should be one after another, one module after another. I was thinking making it everything on a single board initially, but how big it is like half of my palm, as you can see, and like you see, I'm putting my fingers here just to get an idea how big this is, and it's pretty big. It's almost like my palm is fitting in my palm. And if I will have to make 8 of them, holy fucking shit, it will be, first of all, it will be very big, and second, it's an incredible hard work to make it from scratch, like I'm making it here, like I made this one that I barely push it to finish. I'm quite happy with the result. I'm not happy with the with some pins, these tabs here and those tabs there. Pads, sorry, not tabs, pads. But only these parts, I'm not very sure how they should look and feel, but the rest of it, it's good, good enough for me. And the problem is that I don't think I can make it. I don't think I can make it the all 8 of them. It's incredible hard. And the best idea is to probably make it on a board, plexiglass, you know, like those commercial boards that you can make an order. You make a circuit on them and a drawing, and you can buy, but they are quite expensive. But for this project, because this is an very old project of mine, very old idea that I wished it to be in reality, probably I will go crazy and invest in those boards. Who knows? I'm not sure. I'm contemplating the options that I have. Yeah, pretty much this is what I wanted to show you. My progress until here. This prototype board, that it can be the final board as it is, or an intermediary board, and then to come with very serious boards like plexiglass one that I mentioned. Time will tell. But this is the progress. That's what I wanted to show you here in this little movie. And sorry for the program with the blinking LEDs. You are staring on this moving light program that I put in it. It's the same for every test that I did, but it's a very good program test. Sorry for that, but it is very good. So that's what you are seeing it here. Yes, it's a little bit of detail. This is built on 2 layers. The wires, every wire is. I make a hole, as you can probably understand. If this will zoom and also make it clear. Yeah, excellent. So there are holes made with a needle. And underneath this board, the first board that you see here, are these wires that I draw on top of it. and the two cardboards, this square board that you see here is glued to this bigger board here, as well this pads board as well. They are separate, this 1 and 2, and they are all both together glued by this final background cardboard. And all the wires you've seen from the other side, from the actual command pins, the ports, the in-outs, all the wires are only from the in-outs are directed correspondingly to each correctly to each pad there. And this is it. It is like 2 layers with wires for power and logic, and then the in-outs on the last layer, the second layer. And probably it will be a third cardboard to protect those wires as well. But until now it's just again, it's a prototype at this point. It's in prototyping stage, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result. Really, it's doing exactly what I wanted. And but I want the next step is I want to make it more solid. The cardboard is not a solid surface, and I want it to be very secure and solid and trusting. And also, what is the most important part, that's the part that I was thinking very hardly actually, is to make it modular. And my movie is finishing. Like a couple of boards, all 8 of them, to be one after another, linked by those 4. And my movie has to finish. The memory is gone. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and thank you, and see you later. Bye.